me not waste the time. Voila, the pizza is perfect. Grazie Antonio.
Prego.
Grazie. Guys, like the title says, today is a very technical video. This is a perfection, soft and crunchy, and this is not so good. You have to watch until the video because this is one of the most common error that every pizza place makes when they are super busy or when they make the pizza too early before they open. When you enjoy this video, make sure watch until the end because today Antonio, thank you so much, is going to make a
Welcome.
Thank you. A very special pizza that you never see on my channel. So watch until the end because at the end of this video I'm going to taste the pizza. Bye, ready, let's go. And here we are, guys. Welcome to my city, Bari. Look at this, how beautiful is the city. Today I'm super excited because come with me, it's a beautiful day. It's basically almost 6 p.m. and this pizza place opens at 7 p.m. So we are going 1 hour earlier because I want to show you one of the most common error there is in every pizzeria. This guy gave me the opportunity to shoot in this pizza place this common error. The pizza too hot. Why? We're going to see. Let's go inside. Ciao Antonio,
Ciao.
Welcome to Antonio's Cassandra Pizzeria, right?
Sì.
Antonio is the owner. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity
Welcome.
to shoot here. But I'm here. I know it's a little bit early. I want a pizza.
Close.
Close.
Open 7 p.m.
Can you make one margherita? I want to show one of the most common error here.
Il forno è troppo caldo. Non va bene, non si può fare una pizza a quest'ora. Alle 7 apriamo. Troppo caldo il forno.
Let me explain these guys here what we're doing here today. Of course, you say that the oven is really hot, but we are here because we want to see what happens if you make a pizza with the oven too hot. Today, Antonio is going to show us. He doesn't know. Hopefully, he understands. But he's going to make a pizza for now. Beh, fammi una margherita. Dai, dai. Okay, thank you so much. That's the dough. Come here. Okay, fantastic, Tony. So Tony is making a classic pizza margherita. Margherita is okay, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Well, the oven is about 400 Celsius and the oven is too hot. But when you open a pizza place, we bring the oven at the max temperature to bring the oven to temperature, basically. So, possiamo andare? He's ready. Man, this guy is fast.
No problem.
Yeah, fast. I was saying, we want the bricks really hot. So, that's why we fire up the oven really hot. But that's the most common error because, hold on a second, Tony, this guy's fast, he's getting excited. We just start the video. Why is the most common error? Because when it gets busy, the pizzaiolo, the pizza chef gets a little bit anxious, so he wants to make the pizzas fast. But remember guys, if you fire up the oven really hot, doesn't mean that the oven goes fast, because the pizza doesn't come out right. The pizza comes out avvampata. So, it looks that it's cooked from the outside, but it's raw from the inside. So here today we are going to learn how to not make this mistake. So right now we have the oven hot and we're going to cook the pizza in the oven. First, it's very easy. There we go. That's the first mistake. See? First of all, easy to make a hole. So, ecco, there we go. Like you can see, the pizza is ready, but we have several errors. So, the first error is that the mozzarella doesn't cook. It's like a one piece. It's still cold because the pizza was cooked like in 60 seconds, 50 seconds. Second, it's easy to make a hole because the dough, it cooks from the top, but doesn't cook at the bottom. So it's raw from the bottom, like you can see.
Yes.
And that's the second error. The third error is that the inside of the pizza, I want to show you, it's like chewy and doughy. This is dough. Let me show the guy here. But they don't know, some people don't know. So look, this is the inside of the pizza. It's still raw. Look at this. The pizza, it might look good, but it's not. See? When we eat it, it's very chewy. So now, besides the error, let me show you, because this guy, Tony, knows how to properly make the pizza when you first open or when you are super busy. Okay, so how do we resolve this problem? Guys, definitely if you have an oven like this, you have to always warm up the oven 1 hour, 2 hours before, because we want to break in temperature and we want to have the pressure. Right now, oh, it's really hot. And what I always suggest to people, what my grandfather used to tell me was this: to count 5 feet from the oven. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you stop right there and you feel the heat from the back. If you feel the heat, the oven is really hot, but you have to bring it in temperature. So always, this is a really new generation oven, so you can set it up the temperature. Set the temperature at 380 from the top. Okay, it was too hot. So 380, the bottom is good. It's gonna get to 200. That's the perfect temperature of the oven. Another thing is if, of course, we have too much wood. So I always suggest if you have too much flame, of course, try to put the wood in a position that you can really burn the whole wood, because the fastest it will burn, fastest will go lower down the temperature after. So right now it's too much flame, and we basically turn it off the flame at all. So now it's off, and now unfortunately we have to wait about 30 minutes to 1 hour to go down the temperature because it's really hot. So right now it's 6 p.m. and in 1 hour for sure the oven is going down a lot. So right now we keep it like this, we don't do anything. Tony, let's make one more margherita, and then I want to show you that the oven right now is at temperature. We have 376 Celsius, so the oven is perfect, 170 in the bottom. We have the perfect right flame, and the oven, it's good. So I'm going to show you how to cook it properly, how the pizza oven is supposed to be always in the pizzeria. And wait in the end, because after this, Tony is going to show us one of the most special pizza in this pizzeria. Let's go in the oven. We have the right flame, boom, we place that, boom, one shot. So now the pizza is gonna cook exactly in 90 seconds. No less than 90 seconds. Less than 90 seconds, the pizza will become like that, not cooked properly. And now we wait. Three, two, one, and the pizza, like you can see, it cooked in about 90 seconds. Boom, like you can see, that's a perfection. Tony, am I right or not?
Corretto.
So let me show you guys what we are talking about. Look at this. The mozzarella, it's cooked properly. The crust is cooked properly. Look at this. It's not soggy. The bottom, it's cooked properly. Now let's compare the pizza with the other one. Look at this. Look what a different. Look at this. You can see the crust was, see this little black? That means that the flame, it catch the dough and then it was burning the flour. And also, of course, the cheese. This is perfectly cooked. And is no bubbling on the crust, so you still have some white. So the pizza, it's perfect cook. Fantastic. Tony, after this, guys, please share, smash the like. Now we wanna see, everybody wanna see your special pizza.
Yes, no problem.
Make it, make it.
Ok, stendiamo la pizza, mettiamo la mozzarella, fior di latte, poi braciuole sfilacciate che sono una carne tipica pugliese, barese.
Cotta per quante ore?
24 ore. Filo di olio extravergine oliva, la inforniamo e la cuciniamo per 90 secondi. La finiamo con mandorle tostate di Toritto e homemade crema di pecorino.
Final touch. Vai, the basil. Beautiful. Now the pizza is ready. Cut it up. I want to taste.
Ok.
I want to taste.
Slice pizza.
That's the best moment of the videos. Wow, a big slice. Whoa. Whoa. Guys, I'm super hungry for real. I'm sorry for you, nothing. Sì, sì, vai, vai. Beautiful, GG. Body e bad. Body e bad, for real. Body is body. The braciola. The pecorino.
Da leccarsi i baffi, Vito.
Grazie Antonio. Sorry guys, I'm gonna finish this pizza, I'm gonna get order another one. All the information in description. If you ever in Bari, come visit my friend Antonio.
Grazie Vito.
Grazie a te. I'll see you soon guys, thank you.